Here we will see checked and unchecked keyword in C#. When the result of an arithmetic expression exceeds the range of the data type to which this arithmetic result is assigned, it leads to a problem called overflow. To overcome such situations of overflow of data, we perform casting. Here we will see one example. Here class A is defined with main method in which three variables are declared as b1, b2 and result of type byte, and b1 is assigned with 20 and b2 is assigned with 30. When we want to store multiplication of b1 and b2 to result, we have to use casting since multiplication result exceeds the range of the byte data type, and when we execute this code it will generate the output as 88. Since the correct result of multiplying 20 with 30 is 600 and not 88, but because the multiplication result had to be assigned the byte data type variable, therefore casting was performed, and which casted the correct result 600 to a value of 88, which was in the range of byte data type. C# allows you to specify whether or not such situation of overflow should throw an exception of overflow exception. For this it provides two keywords, checked and unchecked. The checked keyword is used when we want to overflow the situation to throw an exception of type overflow exception. The checked keyword has two forms. First with checked as expression, and if you want to use checked keyword with multiple statements, we will use checked with statements to be checked within curly brackets. And the unchecked keyword is used when we do not want to check the overflow situation. That is, no exception of type overflow exception will be thrown in the overflow situation. The unchecked keyword has two forms, one with unchecked expression, and if you want to use multiple statements with unchecked, we will use unchecked then statements to be checked in curly brackets. Here we will write program with checked and unchecked keyword. So in comment line first we will write. First we will define three variables of type byte. So byte b1, b2, result. We will assign b1 equal to 20 and b2 equal to 30. And we will store multiplication of b1 and b2 to result. First we will use unchecked keyword. So unchecked. Since we are going to write multiple statements, we will use in curly bracket, and here we will calculate the result as result equal to b1 into b2. But it will generate an error since multiplication of b1 and b2 exceeds the range of the byte data type. So we will explicitly convert it to byte and we will print the result. So console.writeLine multiplication with unchecked keyword, and we will print result, and we will use another block with checked keyword. Here also we will calculate the result as b1 into b2 and we will explicitly convert it to byte and we will print it as multiplication with checked keyword. Here also we will print result and we execute this. Here with unchecked keyword it will print multiplication as 88, and with checked keyword it will generate an overflow exception. If we use unchecked keyword for multiplication of expression, it will not check overflow situation and no overflow exception is thrown, and if we use checked keyword for the same multiplication, it will check the overflow situation and an overflow exception is thrown with this.